RIBO, Registered Insurance Brokers of Ontario. In this video, I will be covering most frequently asked questions, FAQ. Watch until the end. So, what is the RIBO Level 1 exam? The RIBO Level 1 exam is an entry-level examination required for individuals who want to become licensed insurance brokers in Ontario. Passing this exam allows candidates to sell property and casualty (P&C) insurance under the supervision of a RIBO licensed brokerage. Who needs to take the RIBO Level 1 exam? Anyone who wants to become a licensed insurance broker in Ontario and work for an independent insurance brokerage must pass the RIBO Level 1 exam. What topics are covered in the RIBO Level 1 exam? The exam includes the following topics: insurance fundamentals, basic insurance principles, terminology, and concepts, RIBO regulations and ethics, code of conduct, rules, and ethical guidelines, property insurance, home, condominium, tenant, and commercial property coverage, automobile insurance, Ontario Auto Insurance Rules, policy coverages, OAP1, liability insurance, commercial general liability, professional liability, personal liability, broker responsibilities, customer service, renewals, claims handling, and disclosures, underwriting and risk management, factors that affect policy pricing and acceptance. What is the format of the RIBO Level 1 exam? Exam length, 3 hours. Exam format, 100 multiple-choice graded questions, plus 15 pilot questions. Passing grade, 75%. 75 out of 100. How can I register for the RIBO Level 1 exam? Candidates can register for the exam through the RIBO official website, www.ribo.com. What is the cost of the RIBO Level 1 exam? The exam fee is $300. What is the difference between an insurance agent and an insurance broker? Insurance agents work for one insurance company and can only sell its products. Insurance brokers, RIBO licensed, work independently and offer policies from multiple insurers. How much RIBO Level 1 agent make? Entry level, $48,000, $50,000 per year. Experienced brokers, $60,000, $90,000 per year. Senior brokers and management, $100,000 plus. Income varies based on commissions, location, and employer. How much RIBO Level 1 broker make? Broker's earning depends upon the type of contract between broker and brokerage. Commission is generally 10 to 12% of each auto policy. Then this commission is divided between broker and brokerage as 70%, 30%, or 80%, 20%, or some may offer up to 90%, 10% after certain amount of sales. How do I prepare for the RIBO Level 1 exam? Full course. RIBO Level 1 covers all 11 chapters in detail, explained with real-world examples to help you understand key concepts. Practice questions. RIBO Level 1 includes practice questions from past exams to test your knowledge and reinforce learning. Link in description. How long does it take to get the exam results? Exam results are typically available within 10 to 15 business days after the exam date. What happens if I fail the RIBO Level 1 exam? If you fail, you can retake the exam. There is no waiting period, but you will need to re-register and pay the exam fee again. Remember, you only have 2 attempts to pass the exam. After passing the RIBO Level 1 exam, what's next? Once you pass, you need to obtain employment with a RIBO licensed brokerage. Your employer must sponsor your RIBO Level 1 license application. You will receive your RIBO Level 1 restricted license. You must work under supervision. How long is a RIBO Level 1 license valid? RIBO license is valid for 1 year after you pass your exam. What is the difference between RIBO Level 1, 2, and 3? RIBO Level 1, Entry Level, allows you to sell general insurance under supervision. RIBO Level 2, Unrestricted License, allows you to work without supervision and manage a brokerage. RIBO Level 3, Principal Broker License, allows you to operate and own an insurance brokerage. Can I work in other provinces with a RIBO license? RIBO is specific to Ontario, but you may be able to transfer your credentials under reciprocal agreements with other provinces. Check with insurance regulators in other provinces for requirements. Can I take the RIBO Level 1 exam online? Yes. RIBO offers online exam options through authorized proctoring services. Can I open my own brokerage with a RIBO Level 1 license? No. You need a Level 3, Principal Broker, license to open your own brokerage. If you still have any question drop, feel free to put it in comments and I will try to answer them. Thank you and good luck.